Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about those universities whose deadline is 31st of March 2021. So including CSC scholarships, University Scholarship and other scholarships. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the detail about all scholarships in China, like CSC Scholarship and other scholarships. Click on CSC Scholarship admissions category and then you can get the detail of every scholarships regarding CSE scholarship and other. So let's start. So our we first focus on those universities which offering CSE scholarship, and the deadline is 31st of March. Means today is 27th of March, and now 3 or 4 days remaining. So you can apply as soon as possible if you want to apply for Chinese government scholarship, means CSE scholarship. So first one is Central University of Finance and Economics, CUFE, Chinese government scholarship. And I'll just give you the important things in this video. So means last date, application fee, having application fee or not, and need to send hard copies, and need to fill CSE form and USD form as well. So these kind of important things we will discuss in this video. So first one is CUFE, Central University of Finance and Economics, and apply method, online apply and send documents to the university. 31st of March is the deadline. Okay, all other information you can read by self. So first you fill CSE online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form as well, and pay the application fee, 500 RMB application fee you need to pay, and send your documents to this email address. And the next one is East China Normal University, 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and online apply and need to send hard copies. And just fill CSE online application form, and after that you need to fill university online application form, and you need to pay 800 RMB application fee as well. And the next one is Beijing University of Technology, BJUT, just online apply. 30th of March 2021 is the last date, and you need to and 500 RMB application fee as well. Click here on CSE, click here to apply on CSE portal, and click here to apply on university online application portal, and these are the required documents. No need to send hard copies. And the next one is South China University of Technology, SCUT, 31st of March 2021 is the last date. And the next one is you need to pay no need to pay application fee, but no, at that time, after filling CSE online application form, and after clearing the initial review, maybe they demand 500 or something application fee. But no, at that time when they announce their official advertisement, they not require any kind of application fee. So you can apply without application fee. If they demand any application fee, then they will inform you. First you fill CSE online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. And the next one is Zhejiang University. Zhejiang University extend the date to 31st of March. Okay, just online apply, and no need to send hard copies. But you keep in mind, when they public their official advertisement, they not mention about scholarship. They not mention about any information about application fee, but they demand application fee for university scholarship. But now we confirm from international office, they says you need to pay 800 RMB application fee for CSE scholarship in Zhejiang University as well. So you need to pay application fee. If you already applied and you think that no need to pay application fee for CSE scholarship in Zhejiang University, then you need to pay. It's if you think that no need to pay, then you are wrong. Okay, 31st of March 2021 is the last date. First fill CSE online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. Okay, next is Zhejiang University Scholarship. So 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and just fill CSE online application form, pay 800 RMB application fee. Okay, and these are the required documents. And the next one is Delhi University of Technology. Delhi University of Technology, first the last date to apply is 8th of March 2021, but they extend the CSE scholarship deadline to end of March due to COVID-19. So you can apply, but acceptance letter is mandatory in this university. Eligibility criteria you can see, and first you fill CSE online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form and send your documents to this email address, and the title and the subject of your email is like this. Okay, no need to send hard copies. Next, Donghua University. Donghua University CSC Scholarship, 31st of March 2021 is the last date. How to apply for this scholarship? First you fill Donghua University online application form portal, and first you fill CSC online application form, and next you fill Donghua University online application form. Okay, and you need to send documents to the university, and this is the email address, this is the mailing address on which you send your documents. Okay, and they demand 800 RMB application fee after when your initial will be cleared. So these are the required documents for CSC and for master degree. And the next one is Northwestern, Polytechnical University, and WPU. IELTS is mandatory in this university, keep in mind. So this just online apply. 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and the first round is the deadline was 28th of February. So they announced the result one time in a year, not for first round and not separately for second round. So you need to fill university CSC form and then university online application form, and the IELTS band is I think almost 6.0 IELTS band required. So Hwa-Chong Agriculture University, 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and just online apply, no need to send hard copies. First you fill CSC online application form, after that you need to fill university online application form. These are the required documents. Okay, now next one, Southeast University CSC Scholarship, 30th of March 2021 is the last date. First you fill CSC online application form, and after that you need to fill university online application form. These are the required documents, no need to send hard copies. If you want to check how many students they select last year, you can check the result here. And the next one, Jumuc University CSC Scholarship, just online apply and send documents to the university. 31st of March 2021 is the last. Now you think that it's difficult for you to send your documents from your home country. Then if you are any friend in China, then you send your documents to your friend via email in soft form, and then your friend print out that documents and send to the university mailing address. So it's acceptable and must colored. Your highest degree and transcript must be in colored print form. Okay, just fill CSC online application form, no need to fill university portal for this university. And the next one is Wuhan University 31st of March 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. First you fill CSC online application form, after that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. And next one is Southwest University of Political Science, 1st April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply and send documents to the university. You need to fill CSC online application form. That's it, no need to fill university online application form, and this is the mailing address. Okay, now the next one, Kyangdo University, 1st of April 2021 is the last date, and only online apply. After when your selection will be confirmed, then you need to send hard copies to the university. Click here to fill university online application form, CSC online application. You need to fill just CSC online application form, and these are the required documents. Ocean University of China, 30th of March 2021 is the last date. Online apply and need send 2 documents, and they need to pay 400 RMB application fee as well, and this is the mailing address on which you send your documents, and click here to apply on CSC portal. You need to fill just CSC online application form. Okay, now the next one is Dalian Maritime University, 31st of March 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies due to current situation. Only online application will be acceptable. And send your all documents, send your serial number, and make one file of your all documents and send it to this email address. Okay, make one file your all documents and send your all documents, required documents, to this email address, and send your serial number in your and send your serial number to this email address in the body section as well. So you need to fill CSC online application form, no need to fill university online application form. These are the required documents. Now the next one is Wuhan University of Technology, 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and no need to send application form, no need to send hard copies, and no need to pay application fee. Fill CSC online application form, fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. And you must check your major here. If your major is in the list, then you can apply, otherwise leave it. Okay, Zhejiang Normal University, 30th of March 2021 is the last day. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, and no need to fill university online application form. Just fill CSC online application form, and your application will be tracked through this section. Means you know, if you think that you didn't fill university online application form and you are how university track your application, so don't worry. When you put the agency number of desired desired university, then university will track your application through that serial number, that agency number. So don't worry about this. The next one is Yanbian University. 30th March 2021 is the last date, and just online apply, send documents to the university. And first you fill CSE online application form and upload all required documents and send your documents to this email address as well, and these are the required documents. And the next one is Chinese Government Scholarship, Hailuang University. So 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and due to current situation they're not demanding any kind of hard copies, just online apply. And these are the majors. If your major is in the list, then you can apply, otherwise leave it. Okay, and these are the required documents which you have. And so this is the application procedure, and just fill CSE online application form, and these are the required documents. And Lenzhou University of Technology, LUT, end of March. So end of March, 31st of March. So okay, just online apply, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee, just fill CSE online application form and upload all the required documents, and then you wait for your result. Dongbei University of Dalian Jiaotang University, 31st of March 2021 is the last date, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. But HSK4 is mandatory in this university. If you don't have any HSK, then no need to apply in this university, otherwise your application will be rejected, because all of the majors in this university are in English, or in Chinese. So Donghua University of Finance and Economics, Dufei, 31st of March 2021 is the last date, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. These are the required documents. This is for bachelor program, master program, and doctor program. These are the list. If your major is in the list, then apply, otherwise leave it. First you fill CSE online application form, after that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents which you upload on university portal and CSE online application portal as well. Okay, the next one is Nanjing Agriculture University, 31st of March 2021 is the last date, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. So check your eligibility criteria here. And how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill CSE online application form, after that you need to fill university online application form, and you must pay 500 RMB, I think 500 RMB or 400 RMB application fee, because they says we prefer those students who first pay the application fee. So that's why after submitting the form you need to pay application fee, and these are the required documents which you upload on university portal and CSE online application portal as well. Northeast Normal University, NENU, 30th of March 2021 is the last date, and read all the required documents, send your documents to this email address, and 30th of March 2021 is the last date. Click here to apply on CSE portal, and click here to apply on university portal, and these are the required documents which you upload on university portal and CSE online application portal as well. So Huachong Agriculture University Scholarship, and in the very next video we'll discuss about those universities whose deadline is 15th of March, and I also try to make videos on those universities which offering CSE scholarship, which offering presidential scholarship, provisional scholarship, and other kinds of scholarships. So don't worry about this, because mostly students applied in 3 universities for CSE, and now they are looking for university scholarships and provisional scholarships. So don't worry about this, I'll make a video on this, so as soon as possible as I can. So 31st of March 2021 is the last date. Huachong Agriculture University Scholarship stipend is, you can see here, and you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents which you upload on university portal. Okay, the last one is Usd Csc University Scholarship. Usd Csc Scholarship also announced. So I think 31st of March 2021 is the last date for University CSE Scholarship as well, and for Usd Csc University Scholarship 1500 RMB. For master and PhD applicants, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. First you fill university online application form, after that you need to fill so first you fill CSE online application form, first you fill university online application form and upload all these required documents. Okay, so first if you want to apply for CSE, then first you fill CSE online application form, and then you need to fill university online application form. Okay, so here's the detail all those universities which offering CSE scholarship, and the deadline is 31st of March. In the very next video we will discuss about other universities. So and the main thing about this university is, if you got scholarship and not go to China, then this university blacklist you, and you can't go to and can't enter to, you couldn't enter in China. So good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.